Hello everybody and welcome back. So this is an update for the trials and tribulations of air rifle shooting with no vision. So again, following the blind archers out there and realising that the tactile aiming posts are available to purchase, I thought, well, it would be a shame not to fabricable one together of my own with all the kit I've got, and you know, having the background in engineering and whatnot. So in one of my drawers I've got a load of acrylic blanks of varying sizes and dimensions for mainly pen turning, doing an acrylic pen. But I found some substantial blocks that you can mill down into whatever size you want on the bandsaw. Anyway, I've got two strips of acrylic here, and they measure approximately 2mm thick, so they're quite thin, by 1.5 inches wide by 5.5 inches long. So the camera mount for the tripod already had the machine thread nut for which you can screw your camera or video camera to. So I also have a collection of nuts and bolts and wing nuts. So the rear piece of acrylic, the rear strip of acrylic closest to the tripod, I drilled a hole through that and slotted that over the threaded stud on the tripod and secured it in place with a wing nut. And then the piece of acrylic that sort of like straddles the top one has got holes drilled in it, a few holes, so it can be adjusted in and out for length. And again, a bolt and wing nut combo to secure that. So I have now a tactile aiming post. So I also just got it on my disc sander, belt and disc sander, and put a point on it and then just rounded over the point, just so it's not going to scratch or cut the back of my hand. But just initial lining up, it feels really good. And when we go shooting tomorrow, it'll be the first time that I'm going to line myself up with the target with a piece of string about 30 yards away, and then line myself up with the aiming post, and that should carry through then and get me shooting in the right direction. So I thought I'd share that with you. It only took me about half an hour to make. It's good. That's why you never throw anything away. It's not hoarding, it's what if scenario. What if I need that piece for something? So there you go. I'll just see if I can just tilt this and give you a better view. So for any blind and visually impaired people out there, I hope I've described it okay. If not, do what I do and get someone with sight to describe it for you. But yeah, it's basically two long strips, well, two 5-inch strips of acrylic overlapping, bolted to each other and then bolted to the tripod to make a tactile aiming post. So there you have it. Quick and easy, lemon squeezy. And yeah, hope you have a good day shooting tomorrow. Hope the weather's like this. It's glorious here in the Derbyshire Dales. Anyway, speak to you all soon. Bye.